All right, so you do a little sound check. I still got the Kodiak. Got the new 8125 orange and autumn string on there. Tie some cat whiskers on there. We're gonna see same arrows, Gold Tip Warrior, 400 spine, 510 grains. Not even gonna worry about swinging the target. Not even worry about hitting the target. I'm gonna be shooting this bow close. See if there's a sound difference. Hopefully it's picking it up. So I'm pretty close. I'll try to squat down and get a little closer. Well, got that string built for you. Mr. Colorado Unknown Hillbilly Boy. Stretching right now. Pretty good there. Heck yeah. Woo! That's for you, Joe Daniels. God bless each and every one of you. Get out and shoot your bows. Let's see if it sounds any different.